everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I redo my curls day or two after I've curled. So normally I'll curl my hair like once a week, and then throughout the week I'll change it up. Normally like 2 or 3 days before I wash my hair I give it a good curl. So what you want to do is, all you need anyway first of all is a brush, a curler or straightener of your choice. I'm using this wand. Some dry shampoo. I love this one, it smells so good. I think I got it in B&M or Home Bargains for £1, and it's just amazing. And then I like to use some oil. This is argan oil of Morocco. It's just really nice, gives my hair a nice shine. So the first thing you want to do is just get the dry shampoo and go all over the root. If your hair isn't that greasy, you don't have to, but a lot of the time, because I don't suffer with greasy hair, I just do it to help give my hair a nice bit of volume back in. So I just like to all over, and even on the ends, because it kind of freshens them up, makes it a little bit more tacky and helps the curl stay a little bit longer. And this also smells divine. So then I like to go in and give my hair a really good brush. I either use this nice big paddle brush, or I use a tangle teaser. One thing, it's a t-shirt I use to dry my hair. I always use a t-shirt. I feel my hair has been in such better condition since using a cotton t-shirt. So anyway, once you give your hair a really good brush, I mean, I'm quite lucky because the curls kind of stay in my hair. So if I was to mess around with my hair enough, I could probably leave the house like this. I do like to always freshen it up a little. So then what I do is I want it to be as quick as possible in the mornings. So I do 2 sections on either side of the hair. So just split in half, maybe a little bit more. And clip away. So then I just go in random bits of hair, some bigger than others. I don't know what's happening to the lighting. I just hold it for a couple of seconds, pull away, and you just kind of, you don't even have to do all your hair, because you see that next bit of hair is still quite curly, so I'm just going to keep that. And the idea of my like day after curls is I never really want them to be as like curly as the day before. So then once you just have it all together, you can pull it, you can see the curls in the back that tend to fall out a little quicker. What's the word I'm looking for? Just form together nicely. Is that the word? So then I get another bit of random hair. This literally takes me like 5 minutes maximum to do my hair when I'm doing it like this. I also do some videos on like 5-minute curls and things like that, if you want to check that out. You can see it just forms a really nice curl. Sometimes it's nice to do it in opposite directions, so some front, some back. So you can see, and then this one, I don't mind the curl that's already in some other of the, I'm losing my words because in my mind I'm like, do this quick for the video. So then curls that are still in there from yesterday, just grab a little bit more. Sometimes the curls are still fine on the bottom of my hair, so I just tend to curl near the root. Pull away. And the curls I tend to focus on a little bit more, the ones around my face, because they're the ones that are framing my face and giving me all the texture and body. I personally don't use hairspray, just because curls, like I said, they last pretty well in my hair. But if you do like to use hairspray, you'd use hairspray at the end obviously, but you could use it in between as well to help with the hold. So you can see, it's literally, I haven't, any bits I've kind of skipped in the video or bits that you don't really need to see. So then for this side of my hair, I'm not going to part it actually, I'm just going to go in, pick up random bits of my hair to curl. So the time on this so far is 2.5 minutes. That's actually the curling bit.
So you can go in, so the steps beforehand were like the
Another step I didn't add in but might be handy for you to just remember is some heat protector. So just whatever heat protector you like. Mine's in the other room, but I always think, like, people say to me, like, I don't use a straightener a lot, I don't use a curler a lot, but yet my hair is still real dry. Sometimes people's hair is just naturally dry. Other reasons is like stress can change your hair, the weather, the fact that the heating's on in the house a little bit more in winter. So that's why I think getting a good shampoo and conditioner that works for you. And when people ask me to recommend them stuff, everyone's hair is so different. And sometimes you do need something that's real expensive. Other people don't need the more expensive one. So I think it's trial and error what works best for you. But I think for the condition of hair, you kind of need to go more towards what's in your hair. Like if you have greasy hair, using something that's a little bit more citrus can help. Or if you have quite dry hair, something that's got a lot of oils that can help nourish your hair is good. Now sometimes I would do this with the straightener and it is a little bit quicker. And then you just want to give it a brush out. So then all you want to do is get some oil. If your hair is quite fine and you can't take oil, another thing you could use is like a bit of mousse. So a bit of mousse and scrunch it into your hair. I do that if I have little corkscrew curls. So it's just up to you what works best for you. But yeah, so this is the final result. Sometimes I don't brush out my hair a lot until like I go outside or I'm somewhere I want to be, because I don't want them to drop too fast. But you can just kind of give your hair a little shake and run your hands through it like this. I don't know if you could see that on the camera. But this is like messy after curls for the day after. And of course, if you use a straightener, a wand, or a curling tongs, you're going to get different results either way. A wand for me always takes a couple of seconds longer than a straightener or a curling tong, but they do give out nice big curls. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It's going to be really short. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.